It is time to go traveling. Come on, guys. Let's go traveling. We're gonna go behind the stove to our next clubhouse. Oh, don't worry. We're all going. What are you doing? Huh? Cersei, stop it. You don't want to go with them? Oh, is there not enough room for everybody? The Three Stooges, huh? Fifi, what are you doing? I swear, if I leave these birds alone all day, they would end up in the weirdest predicaments. They get stuck everywhere. Guys, there's no way out from there. Hey! Quit! Skeeter. Y'all stop torturing her. What are y'all trying to do? Have a threesome? Oh yeah, we're gonna get him. Oh yeah, uh-huh. I can't have sex with my wife with you doing that. Quit! Hey guys. You can't do that. Y'all are crazy birds. Crazy birds. And now the dogs are... Oh yes, I can't do this, guys. And baby's watching the screen. And she's like, what is going on? She's like, what are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Huh? Cersei, leave him alone. Baby, you want to get down there with him? You want to get down there with him? What you doing, guys? He's like, don't you worry, I will protect you. Cersei. Come on out, Fifi. Poor thing. It's like, I'm gonna mess you up, man. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Get him, Skeeter. Get him. Oh, sorry. Get him, JoJo. Get him. Yeah, I got rid of that dog. Don't you worry, girl. You know I take care of you. I get that man off of you. Now, I'm gonna reach down and get Fifi and watch. JoJo will try to attack me because he loves his woman. Cersei, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Don't you talk to me like that. Don't you hurt that bird. Don't you hurt that bird. Now I have Fifi, and watch. These two birds are gonna follow me all around the place. They're like, she's got my woman. Cersei, stop it. They're like, she's got my woman. There goes my woman. They're like, oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. Woo! Cersei. Fifi, where are you going? Come on, guys. Why do y'all keep going back there? There's not enough room for y'all. What y'all trying to do? I think the birds are trying to mate back there, and Skeeter's trying to get in on the action. Skeeter, you better leave her alone. Cersei, stop. Poor thing. Come here. Hello. Hello. This is Fifi, and